Hello and welcome back to Aliena's Kitchen, where today we're going to be making a watermelon cocktail. This cocktail is so delicious and easy to make, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to start with is take my cocktail shaker, and I have fresh watermelon with me today, about a cup of it, and I'm going to just muddle it to get the juice of it, or if you'd like to use a juicer, that would work as well. It's just up to you. So once you've muddled your watermelon down, we're just gonna strain it to get all the pulp out of the way. And I find it always helpful to have a spoon nearby to press out all that excess liquid. So once we have all of our watermelon juice ready to go and nicely strained, we can add it back to our mixer along with all of our other ingredients. So the next thing I'm gonna add is the juice from half of a lime to 1 lime. It's up to you, depending on how juicy the limes are that you have. The next thing I'm gonna add is some fresh mint from my garden. Today I have about 10 leaves. Give it an extra little flavor. And now we can start adding our alcohol. So I'm just gonna use my top of my shaker, because this is 1 ounce. And I'm gonna add in 1 ounce of tequila. More or less is up to you on this one. A little bit more splashed over. And then I also have a rosé champagne with me today. If you're looking for a healthier option, you can just add in a Pellegrino or a Perrier, a sparkling water. But I love the extra flavor that comes with some rosé and some champagne. It adds that bubbly effect. So now I'm going to attempt to pop this. I'm a little bit scared, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, go. Ooh. All right, it's a screw off, not a popper, but it did give me a little bit of a bang. So now I'm gonna add about half a cup of my rosé champagne in there. Just gonna eyeball it this time. And I think that's enough. Okay, and now the last thing I'm gonna add in is some ice. It's a pretty hot day, so I do wanna cool this down. And the last thing we're gonna do is give it a shake. Oh, it smells delicious. And you can either not have the ice or have the ice. It's very hot today, so I am looking for all the ice I can get. And voila, here we have our beautiful finished watermelon cocktail. And what's left to do but drink it? So I'm gonna say goodbye now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and cheers as always.